Cooking is a very simple task. Anyone can learn cooking easily. For good cooking, it is important to take care of certain things. We are going to tell you those matters in this video. Watch this video in full, and gauge your cooking skills based on what style of cooking you do, and be sure to tell me about it in the comments section. Preparing your meals at home is healthier and more cost-effective than going out to a restaurant. How do you enjoy cooking when it's not part of your daily routine? Use these tips to discover how to get inspired to cook. 5 tips for how to get an interest in cooking. Beginning a cooking routine may be challenging at first, but you'll have fun as you learn and grow. 1. Try something new. 2. Think about your health. 3. Be realistic. 4. Cook for others. 5. Try one new thing. 15 cooking tips that'll change every home cook's life. Take notes as you go. Read the recipe all the way through before you start. Put a damp paper towel under your cutting board. Set your timer for a few minutes less than the called for time. Add a little salt to everything. Yes, everything. Beware of fires, prevent burns. Keep your kitchen clean and clutter-free. Do learn how to use knives. Don't wear floppy sleeves. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos.